Well, hello, good morning there. Matt here with Grafted Branch Homestead, and welcome to the Grafted Herbal Corner, where we are trying a much more natural and sustainable approach to our health and medicines and needs that way. So this month, here in the month of January, we're doing Digestive Health, and on that track again, we have another nausea / upset stomach recipe for you. This is going to be an upset stomach syrup or elixir. This gentle comforting syrup helps to ease the stomach of discomfort, helps to reduce nausea and support digestion with a blend of different soothing herbs. So join me now as we go ahead and make our upset stomach elixir and try and ease this stomach here. We're going to want to grab our ginger root. Ginger root here in this case is good for its strong anti-nausea and digestion supporting properties. We're going to want to cut off a good sized chunk to work with and remove the skin using our spoon technique here again. And we're going to want to go ahead and grate it nice and fine. We need 1 tablespoon of finely grated ginger, next here we're going to be grabbing some chamomile. Chamomile is really good at calming the stomach and reducing the tension. We're going to use 1 tablespoon. Next here we're going to add some peppermint. Peppermint's going to be really good at easing the digestion and reducing bloating. We're going to add 1 teaspoon. Next here we're going to grab about a tablespoon of honey. Again, local honey is going to work best for you. However, we'll use what we got here. We're going to go ahead and add that grated ginger to our peppermint chamomile mix here, and then add in some water, about a cup here, to get the mixture mixed. We're going to stir that together and go ahead and throw it on the stove. So we're going to want to bring our mixture to a boil. And then once we got that going, we want to let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Alright, so our mixture has simmered for about 15 minutes, and we're going to pull it off the heat and go ahead and strain it out. And last, we're going to add our honey to our warm mixture and stir that in until it's dissolved real good. This is going to make a thick tea or a runny syrup, if you will. So we'll pour that into our little container, and this can be stored in the fridge for up to about 2 weeks and used as needed. Just take a tablespoon or so. Alright, so now that we got our syrup, or our elixir, it's kind of a little bit of a soupy syrup, but this can store in the fridge for a week or two, and when you have an upset stomach, you just want to take a tablespoon or two. And so let's try it out. Not too bad. So a little bit strong, definitely can taste that chamomile and the ginger and different things in there. So we'll see how that does to ease my stomach, and hopefully it works for you guys too.
Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe.
Chewy.
The party pooper.